Welcome, everyone. In this activity, you will be making observations about different properties of different materials. Now, if you noticed on your lab report, you have a lot of things to fill in, so you can pause this video for each example if you need to, and you can get your parent to help if you need. So, let's get started with example number 1. Items in example number 1 are a baseball, a nickel, a Jolly Rancher, a Jingle Bell, and a crystal. Items in example number 2 are a red ribbon, yellow twisty tie, a rubber band, a yellow balloon, and a playing card. Example number 3 has items that are kind of grouped into 3 different groups. Make your observations. Example number 4 has my cute little plushy monkey and a box of Kleenex. For example number 5, we're going to be looking at some different items so that you can describe the texture. So my first example here is I have a piece of sandpaper and I have a cotton ball. How would you describe the texture of the sandpaper? Our next item is my pretty little Christmas tree here. How would you describe the texture of the Christmas tree? Next example is just a plain old sheet of paper. How would you describe the texture of the sheet of paper? My next example is a crystal. Pretty. How would you describe the texture of the crystal? The last example is a book, The Night the Mice Sang. How would you describe the cover of the book? Example number 6. I have 2 balls here. One is a dog toy. One obviously is a baseball. Tell me how they are alike and tell me how they are different. Here is your last example, and this one might be a little more difficult because you're going to have to make the groups now. If you take all of these things that I'm showing you in the video and you divided them into 2 groups, and those 2 groups had to have something in common, how would you make the groups? Remember, you have all of your properties to think about. You have color, texture, hardness, and flexibility. So let me go through the picture here and show you what you've got. You've got some ribbon back here. You have a ruler, baseball, my little plushy monkey here, plastic dog toy, metal Christmas tree, I have a plastic snowman, I have a yellow balloon, and a white cotton ball. So think about how you want to group them into 2 groups and get started. Good luck. Make sure you complete all the answers on your lab report and then turn it in to your teacher.